wasn't it? Yeah, he picked a good song.
Yeah, fuck it, let's see.
Uh-oh, be careful now.
It ain't gonna do nothing. I ain't got enough power with it. As soon as I start swimming them a little bit, because I just got a Taramps Bass 3K right now.
Okay.
But it need more power. And see, I got PRVs in every speaker except for this one so far. Thing is, I still got the factory amp, and this car came with the cheapest amp. Yeah, it's a PRV there, PRV there. The tweeters, I think I have some type of Scar titanium tweeters or something. And you got the windows down.
Another good one he plays is Down in the DM, I think.
Parts and accessories and bring your
Can't
truck
escape
to
the
life.
YouTube commercials. They're everywhere.
No shit.